Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm sorry for not uploading any videos on YouTube for months since I had been busy with my work. So now I'm here with part 2 of our series on making a gaming site. In part 1 we had seen how we can create the home page, the navigation bar, the logo, the hyperlinks on the navigation bar, this heading over here, and name of the videos using HTML and CSS. If you haven't watched part 1, then do watch it or click on the link being shared on the top. So in this part we would be looking on adding videos on your interface and sounds being played on hovering and pressing a button and going to another page or video on pressing a hyperlink. So without further ado, let's start. So as you can see, this here is our design which we are learning, and by scrolling down you can see these videos arranged in rows. And first of all, we are going to be bringing our videos on our home page. As you can see, in our folder we have the HTML files. We will download and place our video in the same folder. Now to make the video appear on the interface, we need to go to the HTML. In the HTML and the submain class, under the tags where we had previously wrote down the names of our videos, write down the following line. We start with the video tag, and the first thing in it is the video source, where in the quotation marks we mention the name of the video that we want to place on our page. Then if you want the user to control the volume or video size, for that you would have to write controls equals controls. You can also adjust the height and width of your video. Now we're going to end our video tag, and then after saving and refreshing our page, you could see that the video is visible, and on pressing the play button the video can be played, and the controls are also over there. Now we need to adjust the video a little downwards and give it a margin left. We also need to give it a gray background, and on hovering over it, it should become orange. For that we would go to our CSS and mention the following properties. We have given it a margin top of 180 pixels, which will move it a little down. We've given a margin left background, we've chose gray, we've given a box shadow, and in the video hovering part where you'll hover the videos, we've given a border top of 5 pixels, solid orange, padding is set to 0, we've given a background, the box shadow, the color is black, and we don't need any text decoration, so we set it to none. On saving and refreshing, you can see that the video is positioned and it's been given a background, and on hovering over the video it would become orange. Similarly, you can do it for other videos as well. Now we need to link the name of the videos in a way that if a user presses any of these name of the videos, then the video should be played. To do this, we need to go to our HTML, and in our HTML we would write a href is equal to the name of the video. The name of the video was v1.mp4, and then at the end we need to close our tag. This tag is basically called the hyperlink tag, which is used to link from one page to another. Now on pressing the name of the video, you could see that the video would get played.
Hey guys, welcome back to Unity Gurus. In this video we'll learn how to light an exterior scene using Unity's high definition render pipeline. You will also learn how to use real-time GI or real-time global illumination for lighting.
Now we would have a look on JavaScript, which is used on giving these sound effects whenever a user hovers or clicks a hyperlink button or a video. First of all, we need to download the MP3 or WAV files, which we need to hear on hovering or clicking in the HTML folder. So these here are the two downloaded files. One is named as clicksound.wav and the other one is hover.mp3. After that, in the HTML part, we would have to declare the variables of type audio. For that, under the HTML tag, we would need to mention the script tag, and in between it we have to write these lines of code. Now suppose we need to hear a sound on hovering over the home hyperlink. For that we need to mention the on mouse enter script. The on mouse enter script is used to play a sound when you hover over something, and to play a sound on clicking a button we use the on mouse down script. So let's write down our two scripts after the hyperlink tag. So these here are the scripts that we've mentioned. Now on saving and refreshing our page, we could see that the sound is being heard. So similarly you could try this for videos as well and videos names as well. And that's all for today. In the next video we would be looking at the assets page, the games page, the forums page. We would also be learning on adding images on the interface and interactive animations as well. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Do leave your comments and tell me how was the video, and if you've liked it, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends as well who are interested.